Welcome to the PortalCam Map Fusion tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Map Fusion workflow to capture and reconstruct large-scale environments using multiple scan segments. Map Fusion merges multiple scan segments through automated calibration and alignment to create complete 3D scenes. Each project supports up to 10 fusion segments, with each scan limited to 35 minutes. Connect scan segments using fusion points in overlapping areas. Plan your scanning route in advance. After device initialization, begin scanning the first segment. When scanning is complete, place fusion points. In the LCC Scan app, tap the Map Fusion Points icon in the lower right corner. Select Map Fusion when prompted, then place the first fusion point. Following the app's guidance, place 3 fusion points along an L-shaped path. After placing the points, proceed to scan the next segment. After device initialization, walk the L-shaped path in reverse from the previous segment and place 3 fusion points at the corresponding locations. Fusion points at matching locations must have identical names to ensure proper data alignment. After placing points, continue scanning subsequent segments following the same process. Open LCC Studio, click Create, and select Map Fusion. Import the captured data. Then click Start to begin processing.